Hello to all my friends out there. This video is 3 days food for $5. So I hope everyone is doing okay out there. So I did these before and I thought, wow, you should do some more because I can do better ones than I did back when. So these are some little cactuses. And what happens is they sprout next to the big cactus, so I just pulled them up by the roots, and those will go into my garden. All I did is I put dirt and fertilizer and watered them. Okay, 3 days food for $5. Okay, the first one I want to do, I have some tea. I think this organic tea actually tastes better, you guys. Okay, so the first one I want to do is mark down shopping. Once you get the hang of this, you're really going to have a lot more food. And so, if you had $10, this is going to get you a lot of food. And then if you went to the food bank on top of it, this is really going to help you out. Okay. I bought these beans, 2.2 pounds for 50 cents at 99 cents only. That's a lot of beans. Then I bought this rice, 1 kilo. I think it's 2.2 pounds as well. Yeah, 2.2 for 50 cents, marked down. The packages were damaged and they put them in these baggies. But I wash them good with salt and vinegar anyway. Then I bought, marked down, 2 of these cremas. A lot of times I can find evaporated milk. So what you can do is, if you don't have cheese, you can put this stuff in your beans. If you have bacon grease, salt, pepper, and sugar, and then you have a little cream. Now, if you want to make rice pudding, you can, if you have sugar and stuff, you can use that cream as well. So then I got 1 package of corn muffin mix. That was about 50 cents. I got 1 salsa, half off. That was about 50 cents. And then one of the things you're apt to run out of is fruit. So these are big cans, dented, 50 cents each. And then I got, at 99 cents only, a package of oatmeal. So this is $5. And this is a lot of food. Now, if you went to the food bank on top of this, or the food pantry, then, you know, you're going to be living a lot better. You're going to have fruit. You might get some meat, or, you know, you never know what you're going to get at the food pantry. But if you can supplement your own food, if you have $5, you can collect cans. That's still possible, but wear gloves. So that's number 1. This is a lot of food. They also have packages, dollar packages of powdered milk. At TWO-3, they have shelf-stable milk for $1. Okay, I wanted to mention this. I bought these yesterday at Walmart for the Stockpile. And the reason I did is because the best buy date is 2025. So if I don't get around to eating it. And then I bought salsa. The salsa is $1.18 and you cannot beat that price at Walmart. Okay, so now the next one I bought was a Walmart $5 for 3 days. The number 1 thing I bought was ground turkey for $1.66. That's a pound. That'll get you by for 3 days. I bought a nice big package of bologna for $1. I bought some Walmart bread. I like it. So the bologna was 98 cents. The bread was 84 cents. I bought, I bought one box of potatoes. That will go with your turkey burger. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 60. That leaves you 50 cents. So what you could do is you could try to find some tuna marked down. That would give you $5 there. So you could do it that way. And then go to the food bank. Or you could choose some vegetables. Or you could buy a 50% off fruit. Depends what you've got in the house, or it depends what you might be getting at the food pantry. So what I did was I wrote bologna twice. So just disregard this. This is 3 days food for $5. You're probably getting the best food at Walmart. Well, I don't know. That was a lot of food. So, you know, it just depends what you need. Now, here's how I stockpile my freezer. On one side, I have hamburger patties. I bought partially soy burgers because they're a lot cheaper. I bought 16 soy burgers for about $10. Chicken tenderloins from Walmart. Someone said they don't like Walmart, but Kroger's has this kind of stuff. Salmon patties, and you get a nice big patty and a nice big burger. And then I bought fish sticks at Walmart and bacon ends. That's on one side. On the other side, I have lunch meat, cheese, hot dogs, chorizo, turkey burgers, and pork sausage. You know, those little links. So you can pack your freezer full of meat. Okay, and here are some job ideas. Landscapers or cleaning yards, you know, cleaning the debris up. Window cleaners, car detailers, mobile. Movers or haulers, you know, haul junk. Swap meet or bazaars or yard sales. One of the best things is kids' clothes. I sell everything at the swap meet $3 each or 2 for $5. And if the person buys a lot of stuff, I give them a discount. Cleaning, office or home, child care, tutors online, eBay. Okay, I wanted to mention something about eBay. What eBay really is resellers. They buy stuff and they sell it, you know, and make a little profit. There are people who do this kind of selling. You don't have to sell it on eBay or Amazon. You can sell it yourself. They make 6 figures. YouTube, piano teacher remote, YouTube for babies. But that, you have to be careful. I think going the resale is the way to go. So you're selling a product. Okay, for the turkey burger, if you have a good turkey burger recipe, this stuff doesn't hold together good, so you might want to add a little bit of breadcrumbs. Okay, and somebody asked me how I do my eye makeup. I try to do videos, but they turn out horrible. Okay, you take a pencil, sharpened sharp, and you draw lightly your eyebrow in. And then, you know, with little strokes, you see it here, you make like eyebrows, and then you fill the rest in with some brown powder. Underneath your eyebrow, you add some light foundation to highlight that area. Now this is your primary color on your eyelid, and this color is a little bit darker. If this part sags, you stretch it. So, and try to draw like a line and then fill it in. And on this, you want to use a light, maybe like frosted type color, just a round circle. So if you're using purple, you would use purple, a little bit darker, and a very light. And then on here, with the eyeliner, you draw with liquid eyeliner, and then when it's dry, draw with a little brush, black powder. That will like soften it up. Number one, cover your entire eyelid, this part and under, with a lighter foundation than your face. Draw your eyebrow, apply the eyeshadow, then apply the eyeliner, and then you should be pretty much done. That's the order I do it in. Okay, so somebody asked me for that. Now, let me give you a good recipe and then I'm done. Cornmeal griddle cakes, and these are really good with honey or syrup. And then if you have some in your freezer, you have some of those Jimmy Dean pork sausage links and some eggs. This would be really, really, really good. Okay, you guys, please like, comment, and subscribe, and God bless you all.